Okay, so now that we have the motherboard finally in our possession, finally, we are going to unpack it and see what it looks like. Is it alive? Is it dead? Is it broken in half? Is it smashed? Is it beautiful? Well, we're going to find out right now. Here we are. See what I got to open this thing with. There we go. All right, let's see what it looks like. Looks like it did pretty good. I don't see any major dents, dings, rips, or tears. Ah. Wow, it's glued. Let's try this side. Do it like this. All right. Wow. All right, now we see how the box comes apart. Oh my goodness. What kind of box is this? Okay. All right. Bubble wrap. Look at these guys. They got it going on. They got some like custom paperwork, custom receipts. All right. And look at the little thing right there. Wow. And there we go. We're getting there. One layer, two layer. They took this serious. I mean, you actually should, because these motherboards are kind of rare. Oh, then we got another layer. 3 layers. These motherboards are kind of rare. Getting expensive anyway. I think I paid just about the same price for this as I did when it was brand new back in 1993. Oh, look at that. They got that thing. Look at that. They got it in a static bag and everything. With a little, holy moly, look at that. A good one, too. It's a Ziploc. Wow. Them guys are not playing around. All right. Let's see here. Oh, there it is. Look at that, fellas. That is sweet. Wow. That is a nice looking motherboard right there. Look at that. That is clean. Wow. There's a tiny bit of staining from where the battery was, because these batteries, being this old, they always leak. Look at the jumpers. All the jumpers are like sweet. Look at that. Wow. See, that's the Acer M1217 chip. That's supposed to be the Northridge equivalent chip. And then this right here, that's the AMD CPU. And this empty socket is for a math coprocessor. Looks like, I don't know. This one, the crystal is soldered to the board. Usually, I've always seen them where they're like in a socket like this here. And a zip tie around them. Old AMI BIOS, yep. All right, we're gonna plug this puppy in. Well, there you have it, folks. So the next thing to do is to get it into the case and get the power supply plugged in on it, and we'll probably put a video card in it. We'll have to put in the memory and plug the monitor into the video card so we can see if it boots up into the BIOS, and then we'll go from there. That's the main thing. And then if it works, then we'll start getting cards ready and plug in and start loading stuff on it. I got to check the hard drive. I don't know if our hard drive is going to work or not. I might have to get one, so we might have another delay, but we're going to find out if the motherboard works on the next video.